all, so let's begin with today's makeup.
So I'm going to apply this moisturizer from Sugar. So I'm using this moisturizer, and before moisturizer I have already applied toner, serum, everything I did. My CTM is already done. So yes, you have to do your proper skincare so that your makeup stays for a long. I'm going to apply this Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Primer, and this is for normal to oily skin, and I am on dry skin side, but I'm using this because I have this product. So only on the affected areas you can apply primer. So yeah, my primer is done. So I'm going to go with Mars. This is the Mars BB cream. It's very affordable. You can get it from Nykaa. Nykaa पे हमेशा sale होती है. So I'm just taking very little because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा makeup effect नहीं देना है. So I'm going to take this much. Don't forget to even your neck. Apply your BB cream or foundation, whatever you are using. Apply it on your neck also. Same blending, you can do it on the upper lid of your eyes. You don't need to apply separate concealer or anything. You can directly apply eyeshadow. I'll just hide my bit of dark circles. ये पहले करना चाहिए था ये step. I'm using this Inside Cosmetic palette. Taking this yellow and this shade. फिंगर से ही ब्लेंड कर दूंगी. That's it. थोड़ा सा मैं इस पे कंसीलर लगाऊंगी. Going to blend this. Let's pack the concealer with this compact. Pack your foundation. So I'm using this Maybelline compact. So my base is ready. I'm going to set my base with this DV Mist Clear setting spray. Let it dry. And now I'm going to fill my eyebrows with using this Cuffs and Lashes eyeshadow palette. In this I'm going to use this gray color. By the way, I did my eyebrow today by myself by using face razor. This is the correct way of shaping your eyebrow. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use again this Cuffs and Lashes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use this and this two shade just to match my outfit. It's very pigmented palette. I just took very less amount of this and look at the pigmentation, guys. Just take this little bit with my finger, corner of the eyes. So I'm done. We'll take this one and I'll apply this on eyeball. Apply eyeliner using Lakme Absolute, one of my all-time favorite. We'll just be back after applying on this. So I'm done with my eyeliner. I'll apply blush. So for blush also, I'm taking this NY Bae blush. Original price is $230, but on Nykaa you will get it on sale for $200 or $190. It's lovely. For highlighter, I'm using this Sugar palette. I think that's it. Contouring कर लेते हैं with this Insight stick. So this is dual stick. इस side आपको कंटोर मिलेगा और इस साइड आपको हाइलाइटर मिलेगा. इसको भी मैं आपको बताती हूँ. ऊपर की तरफ ऐसे आपको ब्लेंड करना है. एंड देन थोड़ा सा ब्लेंडर ले लीजिए एंड जस्ट टैप इट. टेक लिटिल बिट compact. That's it. And this is the Color Bar pink lipstick. I'm in the shade Lust Magic 012. I love this shade. So yeah guys, this is the shade. How is my shade? So this is my overall makeup.